Yeah, what's on okay? Na manyanga zito komisa na mwela wangoyani banakte video na cancer. For those who really love my videos, mkombela me subscribe baku. Na next time loko numesa video kumbeshani minga shtiku ikone takota ko automatically appear on your YouTube channels, on your YouTube accounts. Na cancer mkombela me subscribe. So na minanzi na accept the challenge. Yeah, kokwana Samson mtumbe. When I started, I didn't get in. But then I went on to realize Kokwan Samson Mtombeni was someone who was unique. Let me explain the few things that I saw that was unique about him. Let me say I'm gonna say only two. I'm telling you for that. The first one, his songwriting was powerful. It was powerful to the extent he lasted many decades. Did you know that is the first one? Actually the one who composed Chinenga Nchoma Mfundla. But Chinenga Nchoma Mfundla has lived till to this day. I'm speaking about the original song. I'm still to go Unyabalable. It reworked arts. There's the recent one here he did Mr. Pose, going over DJ choir, going at the artist total teacher who so the house who reworked that art. Now I'm talking the Afro whatsoever, they've also reworked the part that song this shows that his art is powerful to that extent he inspired that artist. I inspired that testimony and say that it lives for ages without going in rotten. So that's the first thing that I saw about him. His writing was powerful. Left the mark. Secondly, Akurumun were unique. Imun were unique. You know, Logonis like a bit of Rasol Makam. Epela Monogara unique, he leaves a mark. Check in Balim check and I'm boy Matupu. It's because of him. That's how unique he was. He chose his own style. And his own style today is showing it has left a mark. I saw it trending yesterday on Twitter and I was like, yeah, this man is a really legend. Scarf were unique as well. It is one. I'm Berlin. It's again. And I appreciate Abdomija Jawona. So what I can say for now, may you so rest in peace. You appreciate the mark that has left external music in our lives, and we will continue to celebrate that. However, I think he deserved a state funeral, but in understanding of the state's country, state. Loko akungarina leswa the coronavirus kungarina swin'wanyani abata kuma state funeral. But then the government is now busy taking na this virus. The arts department is also working on compensating artists who affected by this pandemic. So akala ni kurula kokwani ntirindro n'wina misaveni nxona na tintsumi kwale mi nga kona titsakile because namuntlha ku winena. Let me continue. Now I want to talk about Mr. Post. Tamaningwe. Tamaningwe, this guy is actually a threat to a lot of people in the game who actually love certain people. Mr. Post released a short clip. Has been beefing for 10 years. So I don't know what to expect from that song. I think could some la beef. Kumbero explain I mentioned the beef and asking Australian for 10 years, Shringen and now beef kumbeta. Some la beef. I think the Mela album. And then all went on to release a video the next day. Aku Mapapa MQ, she was referring to a group of people lava aba criticize the creative part of the song instrumentally, saying it's an old song, it's an old rhythm. So you saw that, and then so we are backlash, pass back. I'm a banger. Papa MQ, look, social kind of studio Shamina, Asterna. At the same time, I think he was trying to protect his producers because you can't really blame Mr. Post or PTV really. We know Mr. Post to track Voma, however, we are responsible for instruments. there are those who are responsible to producing his sound. So he was trying to protect them. Nice one, Mr. Pose. This one, but there's also now if it's teamwork, the teammates that were not going to floppy, you have to protect them. That's what I did. And I'm saying this because, you know, it can't be fun and stuff. Without the beat. See, you can't say, yeah, that beat was repeated because I replied. So look at replying, does it mean you must rotate around 1 second? That's one of the things let's end up with West on somewhere no block I can reach these higher levels. Because you know when you listen to album Yanzumba, 5 beats, old stuff. And for Mr. Post, there's no excuse. Josh Manez around, there is something yes of experience in the game. Mambolele is a powerful beat maker. I don't know who they worked with. Prince Rangani is a powerful keyboardist. Keyboard Prince Rangani or beat maker dangerous. Then the most powerful producer of a decade. Josh Sherman, and they come up with something like that. We can't really have an excuse for them, even if you love them. I'm sure you're expecting to hear something new. We love new sounds. We love new beats. It's one of excited the game. We love new way of writing songs. That's what's exciting. It's exciting the game. So Renzi, we're waiting for his album. Mr. Pose, probably at TV. To compare estimation lian nga tsamani endla no probably album yena anga yi humesa hi December. No, it seems like the album is coming soon, sooner than sooner. Ngari loko ku helanyana swilo leswiwani u ta hi tsaleka Mr. Pose ngari album yi ready. So xin'wana lexi na ku xi vula vaseketeri va music wa Xitsonga hi ku let's appreciate our legends va hanya. Let's not wait for them to die. How important they were. I love that show, the DJ Brian, which used to host a lot of legends, because it gave us, it reminded us of who started this game. We inspired a lot of artists, who made it easy, who made Xitsonga music relevant, who started the game, who are the big fishes in the game, who are the old guys in the game that must be appreciated. Let's ask ourselves those questions, then let's start appreciating them. They're grateful. I'm sure avatataka ngopfu mashana xikwembu xi ta va xi va engeteleli malembe ya vona ya ku hanya cause after swi tlakusa na rihanyo ra vona. So guys, all I'm saying is that let's appreciate our legends. Dr. Thomas Chauke, Xitawuli Makhuvele, Nico Makanele, and all those who are alive. Mata Bomba. Let's appreciate them. I so wish I had money, okay, and I would do a special event for these legends. I so wish I was responsible for MLFM. I would do yearly kuba kurna festival appreciate the legends in what appreciate the what yearly, annually. But then I don't have those powers. But then through the small influence, I come back I subscribe and subscribe.